Becca. I thought I would go live with you guys because I scooted home for literally 30 minutes. I've been kind of working all morning. I gotta head back out of the house to do some other stuff. And then I've got bike class tonight. So I needed to get home during this 30 minutes to let the dogs out, throw some laundry in, of course, get dinner in the crock pot. That video is coming at you a little bit later. Get the dinner in the crock pot, which is our pulled chicken. That's gonna go in our Nourish bowl tonight, you guys. It's gonna be so delicious. But I figured I had a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes, that I would whip together a delicious, nutritious, veggie-loaded lunch. So that's what I'm coming at you guys with. So I promised you guys I only have like 5 minutes, so I don't know about you guys. Comment below, let me know, are you working? Do you work out of the house? Do you work from home? Do you struggle with lunch ideas that are super quick, filling, but also are delicious? Because if so, this one is perfect for you. All you need are some frozen stir-fried veggies, or you can use fresh veggies, totally up to you. I have the Kirkland brand stir-fried veggies, which is a go-to for me. You guys, I can throw them in the freezer, I can pull them out as I need them. They don't go bad, which is super important when it comes to vegetables. And you guys, they've been blanched, frozen, and they are awesome. So this mix is broccoli, mushrooms, sugar snap peas, carrots, water chestnuts, and I think some mushrooms in here. So really, really yummy. And then another go-to for me, I am using Miracle Noodles. They're also known as konjac noodles, guys. And so I'll tell you a little bit more about these here in just a second. Then you just need some soy sauce and some Asian stir-fry mix, you guys. Like what? 4 ingredients, if that. And guess what? This is gonna go into a little steamer. This goes right into the microwave. This is microwave safe material. This is actually another Epicure product that I absolutely have fallen in love with. You can even throw chicken in this, and you guys, it'll be ready in like less than 15 minutes. So I am just doing veggies today, so it's gonna be throwing everything into my little steamer here. I actually have a little shelf because I'm using frozen vegetables, so I'm not even gonna put water into the steamer. I'm just gonna let the moisture from the vegetables cook them through. So let me grab my measuring cup. So as you guys are logging in, I'm trying with my horrible vision. If your mom ever told you that eating a ton of carrots helped your vision when you were little, your mom is a liar. My mom was a liar, because I'm literally blind as a bat and I love carrots. So I eat them all the time. Hasn't helped my vision at all. But again, log in. You guys, I'm just doing 1 cup, 2 cups of veggies. You know what? I'm gonna go 1 more, because you know what the cool thing about veggies is, you guys? You can eat the shit out of veggies and you're still going to be needing calories, because you guys, literally 3 cups of this stir fry blend, 1 cup is 35 calories. So 3 cups, like under 100 calories, and you guys, they're so loaded with fiber. They're gonna fill me up and help to sustain me and keep me full this afternoon as I'm running around and getting all the rest of my work done. All right, so we've got our 3 cups of vegetables, and then I am just gonna use our konjac noodles, Miracle Noodles. So you guys might be asking, what in the heck is a Miracle Noodle or a konjac noodle? So this is my go-to. I definitely still use zucchini noodles. I know that's kind of a common thing, is most people do zucchini noodles or spaghetti squash as a replacement, a gluten-free or grain-free replacement when it comes to wanting that pasta solution. Well, guess what? The konjac noodle is so good, you guys. If you have not tried these, you need to. What I'm doing right now is they come, if you saw, in liquid, all right? They're in a bag, they're liquid, so they're already soft, but you need to really thoroughly rinse them off. And I'll show you in just a second here. This is what they look like, you guys. It is literally like a regular piece of pasta. And just so you know, they take on the flavor of anything that you put with them, which makes it even better, you guys. I have them sometimes just with a little bit of Kerrygold butter and some Parmesan cheese, and they're delicious. So So I'm just rinsing them off really good because you do want to rinse them really good. A whole packet of these, just so you know, is, let's see here, 3 ounces, so 6 ounces. Guess what? 0 calories. 0 calories. But here's the cool thing. They have 2 grams of fiber per serving, so 4 grams of fiber right here. So I'm just tossing them right in with my veggies. I'm using my hands. That's how we do it here, especially when we're short on time. So I'm mixing my veggies together with my konjac noodles. So what is a konjac noodle? So just so you know, while I'm putting together the soy sauce and everything, a konjac noodle is basically, it comes from a root vegetable or a root, okay? And the Japanese actually use konjac in a lot of their recipes. It's actually a fiber-based soluble, so meaning a digestible fiber. So again, fiber, 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 you guys, you'll find it's my favorite word because it means that it's going to fill you up. It's going to process correctly within your body to give you fuel and energy, and it's going to keep you fuller longer because it takes a little bit more effort for your body to process fiber. All right, so it's basically that. Now, you could actually, this is been processed down from, or it's been kind of taken down from that konjac root, which creates a konjac flour, and then they make things like miracle noodles or konjac noodles. You can actually use konjac flour as a substitute for all my gluten-free friends out there, as a substitute for a thickening agent. It's a natural plant-based thickening agent that's loaded with fiber, no carbohydrates, 0 calories, and you can use it to make items thicker as well. So I use it sometimes within stews, or if I'm looking to make something that I need to kind of have a little bit more of a binding agent, you can use it there. It's also used by the Japanese in gelatin. So again, some cool, healthy, clean ways to use binding agents without looking for all sorts of additives and junk that you don't need. You can use konjac root or konjac flour or yummy konjac noodles, which is what I am doing today. So again, comment below, have you guys ever tried konjac noodles or miracle noodles before? So right now, as you can see in my steamer, I have my 3 cups of stir-fry vegetables. I've got my 2 servings, because I can have 2 servings of those konjac noodles. And now I am just gonna do 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce or tamari. So your choice as far as what you use, 1 tablespoon. And just a trick for you guys, most of you may not realize this, but just so you know, usually an item like a cap of this, a cap is about 1 tablespoon, so easy to measure. Just so you know, most dressings, like your Kraft Ranch dressings, things like that, if you fill up the top of the dressing, that is about 1 tablespoon. So you don't need to pull out an extra spoon or dirty anything else up. I'm actually gonna go 2 tablespoons because this is low sodium. And I'm just actually dumping it right on top of my veggies. I'm gonna pop my top on here for just a second, give it a little shake so that that soy sauce gets over the konjac noodles and those veggies, so it's doing its job. And then I'm actually gonna use the Asian stir-fry blend that I've found from Epicure. So just so you guys know what's in this. Like I told you before, you need to know how to pronounce everything that you're putting into your food. This has sesame seeds, garlic powder, onion powder, dried lemon, red bell peppers, oranges, some different herbs, cayenne pepper. It's gonna be perfect. It's got those sesame seeds in it. So I am just gonna drizzle this. I'm guessing this is about 1/2 tablespoon. 1/2 tablespoon, totally your choice. Again, what I'm gonna do right now, pop that top back on, shake it up, and guess what I'm gonna do right now? I'm running over to my microwave, putting it in there, top on, sealed. All I needed was that soy sauce, that seasoning mix, my konjac noodles, and my 3 cups of veggies. 5 minutes in the microwave, maybe even less than that, you guys. 5 minutes in the microwave, and I am gonna have lunch ready to go. And just so you know, I wish you were here. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Is that such a thing yet? It needs to be. Smell-o-vision. Come up with it, you guys. If you could smell what this smells like right now, you guys, all of those ginger and sesame and all of those spices and seasonings that are in this Asian stir fry mix smell delicious. All right, TV time out. I'll be right back. Let's go put this in the microwave. All right, you guys, that is in the microwave. Hey, Denise, thanks for jumping on. I'm not sure who else has been on or if you're still watching, but here's the deal. I want you to comment below. Let me know, number one, what is your go-to easy lunch, right? I know that that's a big struggle for people. A lot of times the quick and easy answer is running through drive-through, or if you're working out of the home, it's, possibly eating at a cafeteria that may not have the best choices or options for you guys. And so when I feature a lunch type item, it's either gonna be something that you can make ahead that is still gonna be delicious when you warm it up, or it's gonna be something like I'm doing today, you guys, because just like you, though I do work from home and I have a little bit more flexibility, I'm still always looking for ways to do lunch quick, simple, easy, and clean, because I worked in corporate America for 20 years, you guys. I worked 60 to 70 hours a week, crazy hours. So I was there literally from the crack of dawn, usually past dinner time, and I just rarely had the time to think about this. And so I knew how hard it was for me to make good choices and really feel like I was getting something that was delicious, but also good for me, and be able to do it in a way that I could just throw something in the microwave, have it together really quickly, or again, have it made the night before so I could just take it to work with me, you guys. So I'm always looking for ways I can make your life easier with quick, simple recipes that are still good for you, that you can do whether you're at work in the office or you're at home, you guys. And you guys, you could totally do this for dinner too. My family loves to do stir fry vegetables. A lot of times we'll throw them on top of the stovetop and we'll actually stir fry them up with a little bit of sesame oil. But hey, in this way, it's so quick and easy, you guys. And again, if you don't have a stovetop, you're at work like many of you are, you can just toss these couple of items together. You could actually have literally put the soy sauce, the seasoning, the vegetables into a container, not even cooked yet, into a container, brought them to work, and then when it's time for lunch, throw it in the microwave at work, 5 minutes, and you've got something healthy and delicious ready to go for you. So what are you guys eating today? And if you're not eating lunch or you rarely eat lunch, I want to know that too. Why is it that you don't eat lunch, and how can I help you to maybe make choices or make things in the future that you can bring that are quick, simple, and easy that you're gonna also love as well. All right, guys, so I'm betting I probably have about 1 minute left on that microwave. I'm gonna go check on those vegetables so that we can get you guys back to work and I can chow down, eat up, and get out of here to run the rest of my errands for the afternoon. Smells so good. All right, guys, so it says I got 2 minutes left. I took the lid off of that steamer and all of those yummy smells and aromas came bursting out at me. I cannot wait to have this. So again, you guys, I'm gonna also post a picture with the label on these Miracle Noodles, you guys. These are the ones that I go with. They're, again, konjac noodles. See what I get? I totally forgot to turn my volume and my ringer off on the phone. So we had a little moment there where we blanked out. But again, you guys, I am gonna post in the comments the link so you can see where you can get these things. If you have not tried Miracle Noodles, you need to. You will die. They are that good. And so much. The texture of traditional pasta noodles, you guys, my family actually loves these even more than they like a zoodle or a zucchini noodle or spaghetti squash because the texture is so similar to regular pasta, you guys. They have them in both angel hair pasta, like a regular thickness. They even have them in like a fettuccine type thickness, you guys. And again, 2 grams of fiber, 0 calories. They're basically a plant in the form of a noodle. And you know me, if I can get a vegetable in the form of a noodle with the texture of a noodle, I am all about it. All right, I need to go grab it so I can take one quick bite, and then I'm gonna let you guys get on with your day. Gotta grab my fork. Dun, 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 dun. You guys, can you see the steam coming off of it? Smells so good. And again, all I needed was those miracle noodles, 3 cups of veggies. And you guys, seriously, this is gonna fill me up so much. And it's like under 150 calories total for all of this food. I can eat all of it, which makes me a happy camper. You just need that Asian stir fry mix with the ginger and the garlic and all of those Asian seasonings and spices. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Boom, just like that. 5 minutes. I need to get noodles and vegetables. I gotta get a full bite here, you guys. So some carrots, some mushroom, and maybe a little bit of broccoli. And here we go. So good, you guys. Listen, I could go on all day long about how important it is to make sure that there's veggies included in every single one of your meals, but I know I'm preaching to the choir. If you don't like vegetables, we need to meet up because it is all about the seasonings, you guys. If you can add seasoning and flavor to your vegetables, you will fall in love with vegetables, and so will your kids. All right, I'm out of here. Go get the rest of your day on. I need to gobble this up so I can get out of here, and I will be back at you later today with the video from our pulled chicken nourish bowl, you guys. It's gonna be loaded with veggies. We're gonna get some protein in later today with that chicken, and you guys, just as delicious as yesterday's turkey taco burgers, this chicken nourish bowl is gonna be delicious. All right, you know how it ends. I'm out of here. Love y'all. Have a great day.